Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of our Vlogmas series. So today we're making some Christmas sprinkles. I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make your own sprinkles at home, and if it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So we'll need powdered sugar, egg whites and vanilla flavor, which is optional. Please check the description box below for the measurements and the ingredients. So you're just going to add all your ingredients together and then you mix. But before you turn on your hand mixer, please just mix it together so the powdered sugar doesn't go everywhere. So that's what I'm doing right now, okay? So after this, I'm just going to turn on the mixer on low speed and then I'm going to start mixing until it is well incorporated. So basically what we're making is royal icing. So now that was our first mix, and now I'm going to just scrape down the sides of the bowl and then feel and see if the consistency is very thick. If it's very thick, I'm going to add just little water to loosen it up so it can be pipeable. So something to note here, if you're using a large egg, it means your egg white is going to be more, so the consistency might be lighter. Then you don't need to add water, so just check it and be sure that the royal icing doesn't need water, else your sprinkles will come out too light when you're piping it. So now I'm okay with this consistency, and we're going to move to the next stage, which is coloring our royal icing. So you can replace the egg white with glucose or corn syrup if you're scared of eating raw eggs. So now I'm just going to color my royal icing and then fill them in my piping bag. And also, if you don't have piping tip like mine, you can just cut the tip of the piping bag very little and then you can just pipe your royal icing. So thank you all so much for the love towards my Vlogmas series. I really do appreciate you all. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment and share my videos as well. Thank you. So keep watching the rest of the video and follow along, okay? So now we're done piping. We're just going to leave it on our table and allow it to dry overnight. So now our sprinkles are ready, so we're just going to cut it up and then give it the sprinkle shape. So now our beautiful and delicious Christmas sprinkles are ready. So this is just the second one that I made. I'm just going to break them up also so I can add everything together. So go ahead and store your sprinkles in an airtight container, and it's going to stay up for about 2 weeks. So here you have it, our homemade Christmas sprinkles. It's super easy to make and very fast. You need just few ingredients like you've seen. So I hope you're going to try this recipe. I hope you're going to share this video, and I want you to please like this video right now and subscribe if you haven't. So until I come your way again tomorrow with another amazing recipe, stay blessed and happy baking.